What's going on, folks? I want to make this video to show you what one of the most common reasons for your microwave not working at all is. Say, for example, your microwave, you plug it up and it won't come on at all. It gets no power to it, no lights, no clock, no nothing. And of course, first thing you want to do is check the outlet that you have it plugged up in to be sure that that outlet is working. But if everything is working from your outlet side of it, I mean it's getting power and stuff, and you're just not getting nothing when you plug it up, most likely your problem is that you have a blown fuse that's connected to where your cord is at. You can look right here on this microwave. Right here is the cord pretty much that goes into this microwave where it connects in right here. And if you look on this board right here, right in the back of it, you'll see there's a fuse right here that sometimes can blow. And if this was to happen, what'll happen is your microwave won't get any power at all. But then once you change that fuse out, it then will get power again. So I'm going to show you right here. It's pretty simple. Like I said, you could just open up your microwave. A lot of times the back of your microwave, you'll have like security screws that look like, that'll look like that pretty much. So what you want to do is get you a security bit to take the back of your microwave off. And also, whenever you're messing with microwaves or anything like this, you want to be very careful because there is components inside of a microwave that can be dangerous. Like, for example, you have your transformer down here. You have your I think it's called a magnetron that's inside of it, as well as you have like a capacitor that's over here. You don't want to touch none of this stuff like that, because even though your microwave is unplugged, your capacitor pretty much still has power going to it. It's like a big battery pretty much that keeps its own charge on it. But so just make sure you practice safety and make sure your microwave is unplugged at all times whenever you're working on it. But once again, like I said, to find your fuse that goes to your power source, you just want to follow your cord in, the cord that you would plug up into the back of your microwave right here, and follow it down right here. This would be your power board right here. And if you look right back here in the back of this, you'll see a fuse back here. And all you gotta do normally is just pop it out. Some of the boards you can just kind of pop out the whole board, kind of lift it up like that, and once you do that, you can kind of come around here to the fuse. It normally just pops out just like that. And once you pop that fuse out there, go ahead and get you another fuse and pop it back in, and then test it to see if it works. As well as, say for example, your cord on your microwave was to get cut or something like that, you want a whole new cord, you could come to this same board right here, and on most you can just unplug. You can unplug this cord. Let me get this. Yeah, a lot of times you can just unplug. I'm trying to hold this camera, do this at the same time. But yeah, normally you can just unplug that cord right out of the back of that board and then disconnect it from right here, and you'll be able to change out your microwave cord itself and put a new cord on it. But most of the time the issue is, like I said, if your microwave gets no power at all when you turn it on, the issue that you're having most likely is that your fuse that's in your power board has been blown, and you just need to replace that fuse pretty much, and most likely you should be good. But like I said, you also want to get you, like I said, I have some security bits. I have like this little case right here that has different little bits inside of it. It's really good to have things like this, which that way if you got different type of things you to open up, you'll pretty much have whatever type of a bit that you need to open it up. So, alright, once again, if your microwave is not getting any power at all to it, when you plug it up, no lights, no nothing, most likely the problem is you have a blown fuse that's in your power board. And to get to it, you just want to take off the top of your microwave, the covering of it, and follow where your cord goes into it at, where that goes at, and normally you have a fuse right on that board right there. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.